Do you study Japanese but still hesitate when it's time to speak? Hi, I'm Akari, a Japanese teacher and the creator of Slow Japanese podcast. I created the Japanese Speaking Club because many learners feel they need more grammar, vocabulary, kanji, or a higher JLPT level before they can start speaking. But speaking is not something you do only after your Japanese becomes perfect. Speaking is a skill you build by speaking. This community is for learners who want to practice Japanese regularly in a calm and supportive space without stressful lessons or pressure to keep up. Each week, you will receive a speaking prompt and practice with a short voice post. You can also connect with other Japanese learners, join live group sessions, and use the slow Japanese transcripts. Standard gives you a simple structure for building a sustainable speaking habit. Premium is for learners who want more support with weekly materials, Telegram voice chat practice, direct feedback from me, more group sessions, and a monthly one-to-one session. You don't need perfect Japanese to join. Just start with the Japanese you already know. I'd love to welcome you inside